How to apply for reinstatement. Welcome. In this 1-minute guide, we'll walk you through the steps to reinstate your company. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check if your company name is available using our Check Name Availability search. If it's unavailable, don't worry. We'll reinstate it using its Australian company number, or ACN. If the name is available, consider reserving it with a Form 410 for 2 months. Step 2. Estimate costs. Use our reinstatement calculator to estimate your fees. You'll need Microsoft Excel for this. Step 3. Request detailed estimate. After calculating, send us an online inquiry for a detailed estimate. Include the deregistered company name, your relationship to it, and relevant details. You'll receive an email within 28 days with the fees and Form 581. Step 4. Complete Form 581. Make your payment and make sure it is signed by the relevant office holder. After we receive everything, it may take up to 28 days for a decision. Keep in mind your company can't operate until reinstated. For payment, options include BPay or check. Thanks for watching and good luck with your reinstatement process. For more information, visit our website companychanges.com.au.